Unveiling the Amazon's deadly secrets, where nature writes its own laws. Beneath the emerald canopy of an ancient world, where sunlight struggles to pierce the thick veil of leaves, lies a land untouched by time. A realm where the air hums with the whispers of unseen predators, and every shadow hides a lethal secret. This is the Amazon rainforest, Earth's last great wilderness, a place so vast and untamed that it defies human comprehension. Stretching over 5.5 million square kilometers, a kingdom larger than most nations, the Amazon sprawls across 9 countries, its blackwater rivers carving serpentine paths through a labyrinth of towering trees and suffocating vines. Here, the rules of civilization mean nothing. Here, only the ruthless survive. A world where every breath is a gamble. In this primordial domain, danger wears many faces. Some lurk beneath the mirrored surface of silent rivers, their jaws wide enough to swallow a man whole. Others slither through the undergrowth, silent as death itself. The Amazon does not forgive, it does not compromise, it consumes. The green anaconda. Imagine a creature so colossal it could coil around a full-grown bull and crush it without a sound. The green anaconda, 30 feet of pure muscle, weighing as much as 4 grown men, is the undisputed titan of these waters. It does not chase, it does not flee, it waits, a living noose in the murk until prey strays too close. Then, in a heartbeat, the river explodes, bones splinter, flesh yields, and the jungle swallows another victim. BlackCaiman. Beneath the moonlit waters, something stirs. A ripple, a flicker of obsidian scales. The BlackCaiman, 20 feet of armored nightmare, is the river's apex predator. With jaws capable of snapping a human spine like dry twigs, this ancient monster has hunted these waters since the age of dinosaurs. It does not fear, it does not retreat, it rules. Piranhas. The razor tide, the water boils, a flash of silver, a scream cut short. The piranha, nature's perfect killing machine, strips flesh to bone in under a minute. Their teeth, sharper than surgical steel, move in a frenzy so violent that even jaguars dare not wade too deep. One drop of blood is all it takes. Then the feeding begins. The Pyra, the vampire of the deep. Its name means demon fish. With fangs longer than a lion's, the Pyra impales its prey in a single strike, draining life in crimson swirls. This is no mere predator. This is a living nightmare, a relic of a time when monsters ruled the waters. ElectricEel, the living taser. A sudden jolt, 860 volts of pure agony rips through the water. The ElectricEel does not bite. It does not claw. It electrocutes, turning its victims into twitching, helpless prey. One shot can stop a human heart, and in these waters, there is nowhere to run. BullShark, the silent stalker. Most sharks fear fresh water, not the BullShark. This 11-foot killing machine prowls the Amazon's depths, its jaws strong enough to crack turtle shells like eggshells. It does not discriminate, it does not hesitate, it attacks. Pink River Dolphin, the beauty that betrays. Do not be fooled by their playful pink hue. These 9-foot cetaceans are not the friendly dolphins of postcards. They are territorial, aggressive, unpredictable, and they have been known to drag fishermen into the abyss. Candiru, the unseen horror, a splash, a sting, a scream that echoes through the jungle. The Candiru, a parasitic demon, is drawn to the scent of urine. Once inside, it lodges, it feeds, it tortures. PoisonDartFrog, a kiss of death, its colors dazzle. Sapphire, crimson, gold, but touch it and your muscles lock. Your lungs fail, your heart stops. A single frog carries enough poison to kill 10 men. In the Amazon, beauty is the deadliest camouflaged. Giant otter, the wolf of the water. They look playful. They are not. 6 feet of fur and fury, these otters hunt in packs, tearing anacondas apart and outsmarting caimans. They are the river's most efficient killers, and they are vanishing. This is not a zoo. This is not a documentary. This is the last great stronghold of raw, untamed nature, where every creature, from the smallest frog to the mightiest predator, plays a role in an endless bloody ballet of survival. As the sun sinks below the emerald canopy, painting the river in shades of molten gold and blood red, the jungle exhales, a slow, deliberate sigh that carries the weight of millennia. Somewhere in the tangled depths, an anaconda slithers into the black water. A caiman's eyes gleam like polished obsidian in the fading light. The trees creak and groan, their roots whispering secrets no human ear will ever decipher. This is the hour when the Amazon remembers. It remembers the civilizations that dared to conquer it, now swallowed by vines and time. It remembers the explorers who vanished without a trace, their bones picked clean by piranhas, their names erased by the relentless march of the forest. It remembers that it was here long before mankind, and it will remain long after we are gone. The creatures you've glimpsed today are not merely animals, they are living legends, the last heirs of a world untouched by steel or fire. Each fang, each scale, each drop of venom is a testament to nature's ruthless perfection. But be warned, the Amazon does not reveal its truths lightly. For every anaconda you see, a dozen more lie hidden. For every caiman that surfaces, 100 watch from below. The jungle lets you leave, not out of mercy, but because it knows you will carry its secrets like a fever in your blood. You will dream of its shadows. You will startle at the sound of rain, remembering how it drummed against leaves the size of shields. You will wonder, in your quietest moments, what else moves in those uncharted depths. And perhaps one day, it will call you back. The river always does. Until then, tread carefully. The wild is closer than you think. Don't look behind you. Like and subscribe if you dare.